Genuine OEM replacement part. Bunn offers profitable, reliable beverage equipment, and outstanding post-purchase support wherever customers are served. Uses OEM parts for safety, reliability, and performance. Approved by original equipment manufacturer, OEM. Not intended for anything other than specified designed usage. The Bunn 20583.0003 black plastic funnel with decals is a genuine OEM, original equipment manufacturer, replacement part. Bunn offers profitable, reliable beverage equipment, and outstanding post-purchase support wherever customers are served. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as described. I ordered this as a replacement when someone I work with left the machine on and set this part on top if the warming top. Thankfully only the filter was damaged, but since some of my bar customers drink coffee, I looked on the machine and typed in the part number and was able to find this match. Honestly, of the few that appeared, this was the most cost-effective, and I was able to order it through Prime for my boss. I will add a picture later since I already took it to work, but it fit perfectly and has been working just like the original. It is easy to wipe down and I think it is dishwasher safe. Overall, it was a practical, necessary purchase versus a fun one, but it was exactly what was needed and the site described it extremely well.